Valley Career and Technical Center, located in Augusta County, Virginia, is the premier CTE center. While we have a wide variety of courses available, it is our hope that this series of videos will help you find your pathway to the future.
My name is Jason Hall. I'm the weld instructor here at Valley Tech. So I was asked to talk about my program and explain why I teach. So the reason I teach is I really enjoy working with kids. I find it very rewarding watching them come into class and the growth they have while they're in this class. I get them trained in the trade, and eventually they move out into a job where they can be successful for the rest of their life. That's what this class is all about.
Hi, my name is Clayton Bartley. I'm a student at Buffalo Gap High School, and I attend Valley Career and Technical Center for the welding class. I thought this class looked really cool, and from a really young age I've always wanted to be a welder, so that's why I started here. In the future I hope to take this experience and put it toward being a pipeline welder.
By participating and successfully completing our 2-year welding program here at VCTC, you will always be able to find work. Welders are in high demand and can work in various locations, including underwater. The average salary for a welder in Virginia is about $46,000 per year. Earning potentials are based on experience and types of certifications earned. If you think our welding program might be for you, contact us further to learn about shadowing opportunities, tours, and application dates.